to my channel. This is Beauty on the Go with Sherese. Oh, so today I got something in store for you guys. It's funny to me, but I actually love it. I do. I got her from Amazon. Listen, I'm an Amazon shopper. How about you guys? I know you are. So I mean, you know, let's keep it real. This young lady here, I have to unpackage her. I mean, when I seen her on the Amazon site, I was like, ooh. I was like, ooh. Let me take her. Let me see what she's like. Let me get her. She's in color 1B33. So they gave me a weave cap. Bobby pins, because you know we need bobby pins. And this is her. She's in here. So let's take her out. Ooh. Let's take the lunch lady off. Get her off. Wait. Okay. So yeah, she's... Ooh, I like this headband. This is so nice. And I like the color. Let me see what's inside her. Nothing's inside of her. Nothing. And then she has a drawstring right here. Okay, well, let's try her on and see what happens. Beauty on the Go with Sherese. Oh, let's go. Y'all know your girl gotta use some Carefree Curl spray. Yep, let's work that spray all in that hair. Bam, let's get some edge booster on these edges, y'all. Now I'm going to go in and fluff it just a little bit more so it can be fuller at the top. Now I'm going to bring it all and gather it up to the side and have that side do going down. Stretch it out, work it out, pull it, yep, just to make it a little bit more bigger. Now I'm going to gather it all up to the front so it can look like I have a updo going towards the front. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, make sure you click the link below so that way you can order this beautiful Amazon wig. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.